Hello guys, you're welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be rerunning the methods used to download Udemy videos on your PC. In previous videos, I have 2 previous videos on this channel whereby I described how to download Udemy videos using a free Chrome extension and one other method. I'll leave the links to these videos in the description. If you have not watched those ones, you can watch them, and I'll again be running through how to download these Udemy videos using these 2 methods and one other new method. This video is necessary in response to some comments which were made on the previous videos. A lot of people were able to download and some were not able to download. Somebody even went as far as telling me that what I made is a fake video and stuff like that. But the fact that the method did not work for someone doesn't mean it didn't work for somebody else. There are a lot of rules that should be followed before all these things can really work. If you don't abide by the rules, you might really not get it, or you might really not be able to download it. First, what is Udemy? Udemy is an online course platform. They have thousands and thousands of courses ranging from development, management courses, cryptocurrency, web design, email marketing, and a host of other courses on Udemy. Most of the time, people come to Udemy to create courses. We have Udemy course creators who record these courses and sell them at fixed amount. So one point that is important to be noted is the fact that methods that are going to be described in this video cannot work for courses which you have not registered for. You cannot just randomly go to the Udemy platform or the Udemy website and want to use these methods to download. No, you have to enroll for any of these courses. Like all the courses you're looking at in front of you right now are courses which I have enrolled for. Presently on the screen now in my dashboard, I have like 18 pages of courses. I have a whole lot of them. There were some that I registered for and I paid for, and there were some whereby there were some of them that were paid for, and there were some of them which I got through coupons. So, but the bottom line is the fact that these courses are already in my dashboard and I can access them anytime. But for the sake of convenience, most times we normally download these courses onto our PC so that we'll be able to view them without internet connection or at our own leisure time, or even before Udemy pulls any of the courses down, because at times randomly they pull some courses down when they don't comply with their terms and conditions. So the bottom line is the fact that you have to be registered for these courses. You can't just go to the Udemy platform and think you just want to pull down any course. You want to pull down the video of any course and download it with the described methods. So if you're super pumped up as I am, we'll take some few minutes. We'll describe each of these previously discussed methods, 2 actually of them, and then one method which simply means we're going to describe 3 methods in this video. So if you're already subscribed to this channel and like this video, and let's go. Thank you. Describe the first way to download Udemy videos. So what you first do is you go to your list of courses, you go to my learning. This pulls up the number of courses which you have a number of courses which you have enrolled for. So when you get to the courses, so you get to, let's pick one of the courses. This one says how to run your business from the cloud. So you click the course you want to download. Once you click the course you want to download, okay, alright, so here's the first video of the course. Now this side pulls up the course content. Now we'll start with the overview. Which is the first video. So when you get to the first video, now just press Ctrl, Shift and I. This allows your computer to go into the developer mode. Shows you the developer mode. So once you get to the developer mode like this, just play this video. You've probably already set up at least one of these. You'll find out more about it. Immediately you play this video, it displays some information here in the developer mode. So you try to check. Okay. Oh, sorry. Once you come here to media, so you play the video. Once it is in media here, you play the video. A lot of times you have to be patient in using this method. If it doesn't show up, what you just do is you go to the next video. So this is the video 2 which has showed up here. It shows web HD underscore 720p, which is a 720 resolution video. So by the time, let me play okay, this video is playing. So by the time you right click on this, so it's still going to play the video.
Welcome back.
Yeah,
now,
it's still going to play the video in question. So this is the video in question. When you come to these 3 dots here, click on the 3 dots, you see the option to download the video. I don't want to take too long. This method has been elaborated in my previous videos, but a lot of people said they weren't able to use it. So people complain about it, but this is still the method that is working quite fine. So yeah, we have downloaded this. Let me move to the next video, which is video 3, Google Chrome based tools. Go to next. So immediately you go to next, it's going to bring it out. So this is the next video. So by the time you right click it, open it, you see that it's going to open here.
Welcome back.
So this method still works. It's just that you just have to follow the whole instructions that you're using it. Let's say we want to go back and download video 1. Okay, so this is video 1 for us now. So you just have to use your toggle button forward and backward now to be able to download it. So this is basically how you download all your videos in the first method which I explained. So you could either use this or you use the next method which I'm going to describe again likewise. Now I don't want to take too long because we still have 3 methods to describe. Right. So in this next method we are going to download Udemy videos using a free Chrome extension. Free Chrome extensions are basically Chrome add-ons which helps in a lot of activities while using the Chrome browser. So we're going to be installing one of these free Chrome extensions, and then we're going to be installing it and then using it to download our videos. I'm still in my dashboard. These are my enrolled courses, just like I have said previously. So we're going to be using this free Chrome extension to download one of these courses. So I'm going to go to this website where I'll download the free Chrome extension. I'll provide a link in the description to download this free Chrome extension. So use the link in the description to download this free Chrome extension. So once it is downloaded, what you're now going to do is this: you're going to go to this 3 dots on your Chrome browser. You're going to go 3 dots, then go to more tools, and then go to extensions. So when you're in extensions, you enable the developer mode. Might be like this. So you enable the developer mode. When you enable the developer mode, once you download this free Chrome extension, it's going to be a zip file. Once you download a zip file, you're going to unzip it. Here on my browser, I have the zipped file here, and here is the unzipped file. That's the unzipped file. Okay, so once you unzip it, you put it on your desktop. So what you're not going to do is this: in your extensions, then you go to load unpacked. So once you go to load unpacked, you try to look for the file on your desktop. You look for the folder, the extracted folder on your desktop. So I have it somewhere on my desktop. I'll look for it just now, just a minute. Okay, here is it. So it says extension loaded. So it says extension loaded now. So once this is it, Udemy downloader 3.1. Udemy downloader 3.1. Okay. So once we go back, we'll see that it has been installed. So you can put off your developer mode, and then so by the time you come to your extensions, you are going to see it here. This is it. So I'll pin it to the tags. I'll pin it to my tags bar. So once it is pinned to my tags bar, so then you come back to your dashboard, you click this Chrome extension like this. You click the Chrome extension, so you click courses. So it's going to connect directly with your Udemy account. It will load up all the courses that you have in your account. That's the basic use. That's one of the best use of this Chrome extension. It says please wait analyzing, so it might take some time. We just have to be patient and wait for it for some minutes. Okay, so in my case here now, it has all my courses listed. I think it's about 120 pages of courses at like 5 courses per page, so close to like 600 courses. So we're going to pick one randomly. We can go to the next page. You see a whole lot of them. You see a whole lot of them. So what we'll do now is this: you just go to one. This is Ultimate Persuasion, Psychology, Persuasion and Influence. So you get video list. So it's going, by clicking get the video list, so it's going to populate the list of the videos. Wow, I think in this one I have over like 130 videos in that course. So it's going to populate it. It might take some time. Let's take some few minutes to wait for it. Okay, so I had to refresh the Chrome extension. I had to refresh it. So these are still my list of courses. Let's look for one that doesn't have much videos. Let's look at the second one. It says get video list. So we'll get the video list. Try to populate the video list. The title of the course is Create Funnels and Pages for free with GrooveFunnels. Let's wait for it. Alright, this method might take a little while. There are 9 videos in this course. It might take a little while in loading the courses. So it says 8 in 9. So these are all the 9 videos in the course. These are all the 9 videos. It has 9 videos. So any one of the videos which you want to download, you just tick it, and then here it says the first video says Introduction to GrooveFunnels, setting up the account. So you just tick anyone you want to download. You could select all really, or you just select one. For the purpose of this video, I'll just use one. So download just one video here now. So we'll wait. The network might be a little bit hazy, but we'll wait and see how this is going to download. So it's going to download this one video which we have clicked. Once it finishes downloading, we'll be able to see it and it will be stored on our PC, but the thumbnails of the videos are still loading up, so we have to give it some time. Okay, so Introduction to GrooveFunnels is already downloading. We have it at like 18% right now. So you just have to wait. We have to wait and be patient about using this method, but ultimately all of them still work. After this method now, I still have one more method where you have to install a free Chrome browser, likewise a free Chrome extension likewise in downloading this. So immediately this is, we have it up to like 61% now. So it's at 61%. We have just 39% more for it to get to 100%. So if you want to download all the videos, you can select all and be downloading them. It might take some time, but they will all download, or you just select or tick the one you want to download and then it will be downloaded onto your system. So I have it now. I have the first video which is already downloaded. I'll have to look for it in my file. So this is one of the best methods in downloading Udemy videos, but just like I have said, you have to have enrolled for these courses. You cannot go to the Udemy website to pull or to use this method to download them. It will not work. If you don't enroll for these courses, if you don't subscribe to these courses, it will not work. They have to already be present in your dashboard. So let's move on to the last method now. The third method of how to download Udemy videos using different methods. We have previously described 2 methods which involved using the developer tools and then the free Chrome extension. Now this third method also uses a free Chrome extension called Video Downloader Pro. Like I have said, I'm going to leave a link to download the 2 Chrome extensions in the description of this video. They are free to download. You can download them, you can use them, and then get to download your enrolled Udemy video. So just like we downloaded we loaded the previous Udemy extension, Chrome extension. We're going to load this like that also. So we'll go to more tools, we'll go to extensions. So when we get to extensions, what we're going to do is you're going to enable your developer mode, then you go to load unpacked. When you get to load unpacked, then wherever your Chrome extension is, so you load it from there. It can be present in your downloads, it can be present in your desktop. I have mine in my desktop. I have already. You're going to unzip the zip file. So once you unzip the zip file, then you select the folder. So once you select the folder, here is the Video Downloader Pro 143. So here I have my Chrome Video Downloader Pro, which is my Chrome extension. I have it installed already. So if you close this window and come to your list of browsers, you will see it. You're going to see it, Video Downloader Pro. So you see it here. We favorite it or pin it to this place. So once you are in your dashboard, what you just do is, let me pick a video. So once you pick a video that you want to download, just pick a video you want to download. So immediately you choose the video you want to download. This course has many videos. It has a course, it has a video here about 3 minutes. So immediately you choose it, it will tell you that it has seen a video. So this is the video here. You can play it. Let me pause this. So once you click here, you can even play it from
in this video interface. I want to show you
you can play it from this interface.
In this video,
so you can play it from that interface. So you can play it.
Before joining, I'll briefly tell you what to expect from the course and we'll begin.
Okay.
Well, you'll learn how to use Canva.
So it has another video here, so you can likewise play it. Okay, you can likewise play this, which is the one that we have here right now. So you can use this Chrome extension also to
Welcome to
download
this YouTube thumbnail.
You can use it to download your Udemy videos which you have subscribed for. So as more courses are being opened here, or as more videos are being opened, this number will be changing and increasing. So we have 3 videos now, so it has populated 3 videos. As you are opening more and more videos, it will continue increasing.
In this video, I want to go over a number of examples.
Alright, so we have like 4 here. So once you open this place, you can see the list of videos which you are supposed to download. You can see the list of videos. Then just click this arrow. Let me find one to download. Okay, I'll download the 16 MB. So once you click this arrow, so it would immediately tell you that it's trying to download, so you can download it and put it on your PC. See this, once you click this arrow, so the download dialog box will appear, and then you can decide to download it. So you can use any of these 3 methods to download your Udemy videos. You download them onto your PC, and then you can save them onto a later date when you might not need the internet connection to view this video. Likewise, just like I have said, you can also view these videos even after Udemy platform has one way or the other removed this content, either for one reason or whatever. So all these methods which I have described, all of them are still working. They are still working perfectly. You can use them and enjoy your video at your own convenience. If you still have any issues downloading any of these videos or using this method, you can still come to the comment section. Let's talk, let's discuss. You can shoot me a mail, you can leave a comment in the comment section and let's talk about it. If you also like all the methods that we have described, you can help subscribe to this channel, turn your notification on so that any new video that is dropped on this channel, you will be aware. Thank you very much.